Hello, I'm back here in my laundry room with the deep freeze. It's how it all started about a year ago. I did one of my very first videos ever was where I organized my deep freeze. I wanted to become a minimalist, I wanted to save money, and my deep freeze was a good place to start. Fast forward, now it's been 10 months probably since I did it last. I'm not actually sure what's in here. I should do it more often. Does anybody out there like chest deep freezes? I think I would like an upright freezer better. Let me know in the comments what you prefer, but things get lost in the bottom there. So today I put it off. Again, that darn procrastination. I put it off, but don't judge yourself. Be kind to yourself. Put everything out on the counter. Clean it all up, put it back in, then I will know what is in there. It's a good thing to do periodically. And I don't buy doubles, I don't buy more than I'm needed, I save money, I feel good. It's all good, 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 good. You just got to get at it. This always stays on the top. This box, we have a dog, we feed him a raw food diet, and we're in here all the time getting his food for him. That's what happens. We think you're out of bacon, so you buy more bacon when you still had some. Gotta stop doing that. It's in the freezer. It's not gonna go bad, but still, you don't need doubles. Try to be aware of what you have. We got lots of pierogies. Breakfast hash. We're always buying more of this stuff. My husband loves it. This is way down in the bottom, so we got to use this up before we buy more, but I had no idea it was down there in the bowels of the deep freeze. And now I know. So what I tried to do is keep all the chicken in one spot, so when you're looking for chicken, you always know to look in the bottom of the left-hand side. When you're looking for bacon, you always know it's in the bottom on the right-hand side, and vice versa. If you always put stuff back in the same general area, then you know what you've got. Fish in the middle. Beef that I've already cooked up and taco seasoning on, because we like our tacos. That goes in the back at the middle. More chicken. The bacon we'll always try to keep in the same spot. Obviously it doesn't work every time, but at least it's a little bit of a system. Frozen fruit down in the corner here. It's not a foolproof system because obviously I've got two things of frozen blueberries. We do go through blueberries a lot, but there's no reason why we need to fill the freezer with two of them. And always on the top is the dog food. There's a pecking order in this family, and well, the dog, he's pretty close to the top. Well, that didn't take long. I should do it more than once every 10 months. Wasn't that bad, just a few doubles, blueberries, bacon. In the last year, since I last did this last summer, I have gotten so much better of being aware of what we have, not buying duplicates, not wasting my time, using it up before it gets freezer burned. It makes life so much easier. So if you can, every once in a while, go through your freezer, see what's in there, use it up before you buy more. Try to be a minimalist. Try to be organized, but be kind to yourself. That's what I always say in these videos. This is the real me. This is my basement. I try to be kind to myself, not be judgmental of myself. We are our own harshest critics. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. like and subscribe and follow along on my journey to be a better minimalist. Could I call myself a minimalist yet? I'm not sure. Whatever works, I'm happy. You be happy.